Hi gorgeous people, how are you? Welcome to my channel. Bienvenido a mi canal. Well, I'm super excited because today I'm doing the Kylie Cosmetics Leopard collection, and it's this beautiful palette right here. Look how beautiful is the packaging. She is stunning. And for this, I had it to wear my leopard shirt just for this video. So I'm super excited to try this palette out, and let me open it up for you so you guys can see the palette. This is the palette right here. When you open the packaging up, this is how it looks. A very small, compact palette. This palette retails for $38. And if you turn it around, it has all the names right here. Let's open it up and see how it looks. Actually, you have the names in the palette too, so that's a great thing. So you have all the names also here too. This is the color. This is how the color looks like. Very, very stunning. Beautiful colors. I'm loving the shades. I'm going to swatch 2 or 3 colors so you guys can see the high pigmentation of the colors. Let's see. I want to try Cheetah Girl. That is Cheetah Girl right there. Let's put it on my arm. Wow. It legit looks like Cheetos. You know when you eat the Cheetos and you have the little crumbs? It legit looks like that. Wow. That looks amazing. Let's see what else. Let's try Lucky Lead. I'm going to test this one out right here and see how that looks. And that's Lucky Lead. That's pretty. That's Lucky Lead. Let's try Wow Side. That's like a gray color. Look how beautiful is that gray. Very cool tone. Let's swipe it right here. And that is the gray color. That is beautiful. Do you guys see how gorgeous that gray is? Oh, that's giving me life. But anyways, we're going to begin with the eye tutorial. So I already primed my eyes and I did my face off camera just because I want to focus on this palette, and that's it. I'm gonna set underneath my eyes just because if the palette has any fallout, then I can just wipe it down and I will not mess my foundation up. So I'm going to be using my e.l.f. setting powder and I'm gonna set my face. I'm gonna set underneath my eyes. So we're going to look a little bit crazy, but that's okay. Like always, I don't know what we're going to be doing in our eyes, but every time I do that, it come out great. So let's hope for the best. I'm going to be using, I can't even see, I'm a little blind. What does that say? We're going to be using this color right here, and that is Feline. And we're going to place that all around our crease area. Please do me good, Kylie Jenner. And I'm not blending it yet. I'm just packing the color all over my lid. I'm just trying to get that color. We will blend later, but right now we're just packing the color. I'm gonna use my small little taper brush and I'm just gonna blend the harsh line on top. Just smoke it out a little bit. Just so we won't have no harsh line and we can get in that corner. So far, I haven't seen any fallout. So that's great. So we're blending the top part, very gentle. So I'm going to be using this color right here, Pretty Panther, and I'm going to put it in my outer corner. And make sure you place it and don't place it too much because black is a little damaging. I'm going to use this fluffy brush and then smoke it out a little bit. This black is a little patchiness. You see that little patch right there? I don't know. I'm going to try to keep blending it, but that is giving me patchiness and I don't like that. So I'm just bringing out that orangey red color back in the eye. And then using this small little brush, and I'm just going to get the inner creases. Just smoke that out a little bit. I'm going to use a little bit of that Cheetah Girl, and I'm going to place that on top of my brow bone. I'm not trying to blend it, I'm just trying to bring out that color, and then bring it right here on top of the brow bone. And then I'm going to use the brush again. I'm just going to blend everything out. Of course, I'm going to play with the glitter, so I'm going to be using Lucky Lead, and it's this color right here. And I'm going to place that on my lid. I'm going to spray my brush just so I can put that glitter Lucky Lid and see how that looks. Oh, that's gorgeous. I'm gonna try to use my finger. It's alright. You gotta blow that out. Wow, guys, this is stunning. Do you see how beautiful is that? So I'm just gonna blend out a little bit of the edges where I put the glitter. I'm loving that. That's how it looks. I think it looks gorgeous. I'm going to place Wow at Heart, and I'm gonna place it on top of my brow bone. Right here on the eyebrow. I'm gonna wipe down all that powder out. I'm gonna be using my Maybelline New York Lasting Drama Gel Liner, and this is in black, and I'm going to wing my eyes. I'm going to be using this angle brush right here. Alright guys, so I already did my wing. I did a little cat eye effect. So I'm going to put my lashes on and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so lashes are on. So now we're going to finish up our eyes. I'm going to do my bottom eyes. So I want my eyes to be a little bit more open just because I have the cat eye look. I'm going to be using my Essence Extreme Lasting Eye Pencil. And it looks like this. And this is in nude. And I'm going to place that in my waterline. Ooh, what I got it here. You see how open my eyes look right now? That's amazing. So I'm gonna place this under here. I'm gonna be placing underneath my eyes this color right here, and it's Cheetah Girl. I'm going to take an angle brush like this, and I'm going to place that near my waterline. Just like that, and I'm going to place the other eye. And I'm going to grab that brown color right here, Love You Forever, and I'm going to place that in my waterline. I'm going to grab this brush right here and just smoke that out. Now I'm going to put mascara underneath my waterline, and I'm going to be using Bad Girl from Benefit in black. I'm going to place that underneath my waterline. Now to finish up the look, we're going to highlight our face and put a little bit of blush and a little bit of lipstick, and we'll be done. I'm going to be using my Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette right here, and I'm going to be using Barbados. Put that on my nose. Look how stunning that is. Over here. You see that highlight? Beautiful. I'm gonna use my LA Girl in Spice. I'm gonna underline my lip. All right, so I'm gonna put this color right here. It's like an orangey color, orangey brown color. And I'm gonna place that on my lip. All right, so this is how the lips look. So beautiful. Now I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dewy Set. And I'm gonna place that all over my face. All right, guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this cat eye look, me using the Kylie Cosmetics Leopard Collection palette. That was a cute little palette for $38. I mean, you can't beat that. But the only thing is that the black had a little patchiness, but everything else was super blendable. The colors were beautiful. I need to try to use more colors just to see if the palette was worth the $38. But for now, the palette was a great success. But guys, if you do like this video, please comment, like, and subscribe. And until my next video, bye bye.